Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can enable your clipboard. What is a clipboard, you may be asking? Clipboard is where, when you copy stuff on your Windows device, where it is copied to. So when you press Ctrl C or press copy, it is sent directly to your clipboard. Now, what does enabling your clipboard mean? When we enable our clipboard, we can see the history of the amount of things that we've copied. So let's say we want to copy 3 links. Once we copy those 3 links, we won't ever have to go back for the older one. It'll be copied to our clipboard and we can simply just open it up and look at it. So I'll show you guys exactly what I mean after we activate it. But first we're going to have to activate it. Now to begin this process, we're going to be on our Windows homepage, and what we're going to do is go to the Windows Start button, press on it, and from there press on Settings. From there, what you want to do is go to System, and there we have multiple options. The option we are looking for is called Clipboard down here. And here, as you can see, Clipboard history is off for me. So once we turn it on and we get out, if we press the Windows and V button, our clipboard is here. So as you can see, I have 2022 with the thingy. Now if I were to copy, let's say this for now, and I were to press Windows V, as you can see now I have this and this at the same time. So there you have it. That is how to enable Clipboard. It's quite useful, in my opinion, for people who do business, and it can definitely be useful for drop shipping and just in general stuff where you need access to multiple things very quickly. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.